everybody. I hope you're all having a really fantastic week. Welcome to my channel Ab Fab. This video this week, if you've not seen the title or the thumbnail, is all of my favorite makeup products for 2017. So if you're interested in seeing what they are, then just continue watching this video. Start with product number one, which I purchased at the beginning of 2017 as a treat to myself because it is quite expensive. It is the Tatcha and it is the Luminous Dewy Skin Spray. This is really a fantastic spray. It's certainly high-end, but it is beautiful. It imparts just this, I can only describe as like a light spa fragrance, which is really, really nice. And you can see I still have some here. Of course, I don't spray it every day, but I do use this spray when I want something that's just fresh and radiant and dewy on my skin, and that will certainly give you that finish. A really beautiful product. If you haven't checked it out, then please do. I'm sure that you won't be disappointed. All right, so let's get on to kind of foundation. So for foundations, I have been absolutely loving all of 2017 this drugstore pick. It is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Pro Glow Foundation. I use the number 202 in Creamy Natural, and what I guess I like about this is that it's long wearing and basically doesn't settle into the fine lines and wrinkles on my face, and it's just a medium coverage but totally buildable, and they have plenty of shades, which is really nice. I just find it just kind of imparts a really sort of natural skin tone to your skin, which I love in a foundation, and the price point is just right. So this is L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and that's in Creamy Natural 202. Okay, now I want to talk about concealers because it's all about the under eye concealer past a certain age, I feel. I don't have really, really dark sort of under eye circles, but I do have a little puffiness, and I certainly have fine lines and wrinkles. And I have been a huge fan of the NARS Creamy Radiant Liquid Concealer. But last year, NARS came out with their Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and this is absolutely beautiful. It is in the color Vanilla Light. And it's a cream, and I've been applying it with just a concealer brush. It's great for underneath the eyes, and then you can just blend it all out with a beauty blender, or I use a stippling brush, and also a little bit of this cream goes a really long way, and you can also use your brush to kind of like do spot concealing as well. I absolutely love this product, and I've had it for a good 6-7 months, and there's quite a bit left in it, so I'm really, really pleased with that product. The next one in the way of contouring and I guess some spot concealing would be this product, the NYX Wonder Stick, and it is a dual-ended stick. On one end it has this very, very light, good for spot concealing, but the beauty of this stick has to be the actual contour side of it. So there it is right there. I'm just going to swatch it out so you can see the color. What makes this a light shade Wonder Stick so good for me is just how cool the actual contour brown is, and just because it's a cream, how it's so nice to be able to just blend out. You can get that chisel sort of cheek look. I did some nose contouring before I shot this video. It's the stone go. You throw it in your purse and off you go. You don't have to worry about shattering any of the powder in a pan. It's super convenient. Absolutely love it. And the best point, of course, is the price point. All right, let's move on now as if we were going to be getting into doing our eyes. And I just kind of want to start off by talking about a great eyeshadow primer. I have been using this for about a year, and I'm talking about the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Eyeshadow Primer right here. It is all kinds of amazing. I used to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and then suddenly it just started creasing and it was wrecking all my eyeshadow work that I was doing. And I went to Sephora. I said, I need you to tell me in the store, hands down, what's the best eyeshadow primer? She didn't even hesitate. Literally, guys, she walked me over to Smashbox and she said, this is the one. It will not crease. It will not budge. and she couldn't have been more right. If you're looking for a good eyeshadow primer where the eyeshadow is just going to be a lock and load situation, you got to get yourself the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish. You will absolutely love it. My most favorite eyeshadow palette purchase for 2017, I'm going to let you just make one guess. Yeah, you were probably right. It is the ABH Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love all of these shadows. They are absolutely gorgeous. And this eyeshadow palette will get you from day to evening, no problem. It's got some warm colors. It has some great transitional shades over here. I mean, I can't say enough about it. And I know like somebody as fair as me shouldn't even be liking all of these colors, but I am totally drawn to them and I absolutely love this palette. So if you don't have the Modern Renaissance, you're looking for something that is fade resistant, beautifully pigmented with those beautiful ultra mattes and those transitional colors, girl, it's like the perfect eyeshadow palette. All right, so the second palette I want to talk to is the Tartelette Tease. So there it is right there. It's a really cute 6 pans with some mattes and some pearl finishes, and those are the colors right there. And this is just the most beautiful little stow and go eyeshadow palette for the money. Beautifully pigmented again, beautifully blendable. I can't say enough about this. I use this when I'm going to work, or if I just want to have one of those sort of makeup, no makeup days. And yeah, can't say enough about the Tartelette Tease. If you're looking for just a really nice, everyday sort of eyeshadow palette that you can travel with or put in your purse, then might I suggest the Tartelette Tease, because it's all kinds of good. 2017 would be nothing if you're a glitterholic like myself and like Kathy if I didn't mention Stila's product, which was the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Gel Eyeshadow. They are absolutely amazing. This is in the color Retro Rose Gold. I mean, it is absolutely comfortable to wear. It's really a beautiful product. I think there was 7 or 8 shades that came out, and you just can put that all over your lid, or what I do is I like to take it and then pop it in the center of my eyes, which I've done for my eyeshadow look today for this video, and it just gives that little bit of extra glitter that just sort of takes your eyeshadow look up a notch or two, and I really love it. If you don't have 1 or 2 of them in your makeup inventory, then go and get yourself some of the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Gel Eyeshadows. You'll love them. I think 2017 was all about the glitter, and these were the Urban Decay. They're called the Heavy Metal Gel Eyeliners. They are just that. They have a great little eyeliner brush for just precise placement of your eyeliner. I think they came in 7 shades, 6 or 7 shades. I have 2 of them here. I have this one in AMP, which is a beautiful electric blue and silver, and this ACDC in kind of like this beautiful gold and a purple based gel eyeliner. And what I like best about these is you can just, because of that precise wand, you can just place them just so precisely underneath the waterline of your eye or right by the tear duct, and wow, it just takes your day eyeshadow look into an evening look. You're ready to go out on the town. I absolutely love them. That I think has barely been talked about, is certainly underrated as far as YouTube, and it is the Makeup Forever. This is the Starlit Liquid, and it is in the color number 03. This is also a gel formula, but it is just the way they have done the glitter in here. I'm going to paint it on for you. It just really helps to reflect maximum sort of light, and it's going to be hard to catch this. This very lightweight gel formulation is really excellent for putting anywhere on your face that you want that little extra pop. So this is not specifically just for eyes. You can put it on your eyes, which I have. I've even put that sort of like right in the center of my lips to kind of give a little extra bling to those going out, but you can just put it all over, or you can take your beauty blender, dab it, and you can even go that extra extra step and put it on the high points of your cheeks. But I mean, honestly, look at the color of this beautiful gold. So you really should check that out if you just want a little extra bling and you want something that's multi-purpose. Then you need this, which is the Makeup Forever, and it's the Starlit Liquid. All right, so I'm finishing off the eyes with my hands down most favorite magical eyeliner, and it is the Kat Von D. This is the eyeliner, Precise Eyeliner in Mad Max Brown. I mean, take a look at that tip. It is literally like a surgeon's knife. It's so precise. I have literally not just had this in 2017, I've had it in 2016. It's been a year and a half. I keep it capped. I kid you not when I tell you it's still putting out product. There you go, right there. So there it is. Doesn't skip a beat. It literally is so perfect. And for me, someone so fair with my blue eyes, that brown just makes my eyes look so open and awake. And if you're not familiar with the Kat Von D tattoo eyeliners, then you really need to go and check those out because they are really, really good. 2017 was also a year that I was really looking for really great mascaras. I had already had some of my favorites in the past, which were Lancome and Dior, but this year was all about Elizabeth Arden. I got introduced to Elizabeth Arden in one of my beauty box subscriptions. Elizabeth Arden, this is the Grand Entrance Mascara. It's quite a fancy tube. I really love it because it gives curl to your eyelashes and it also gives you lots of length. It has this nice big brush so you can flip it down to kind of load up your brows and then turn it the other way when you want to get some extra length. It does not fade, it does not crumble, it just sort of stays in place until you take it off at the end of the day. This is in Stunning Black. And then just recently I was given a sample of this Elizabeth Arden, and this is the Lasting Impressions mascara. So it's the mascara that they came out with at the end of 2017. It just wants to give that voluminous look to your eyelashes with this great tapered, big, natural bristle brush. I'd have to say of the two, now I use them both in conjunction, but definitely the Lasting Impressions would be my pick over the Grand Entrance. But both of them, fantastic mascaras. So if you're going by the Elizabeth Arden counter and you've never actually thought about purchasing it, give the Lasting Impressions mascara in Stunning Black a try. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. And for blush, I kind of had many great blushes, but I fell back in 2017 to a tried and true blush that I have loved, and this was, are you ready for it? I know, so original. It is the NARS Orgasm blush. That's right, I said orgasm. And why I love this blush the most is because it is that universal, beautiful, sort of peachy pink. It does have some iridescence to it, but I assure you, for all of those that don't like the shimmer in your blush, you'd be hard pressed to actually see this when it's actually on your face. And now they do the NARS Orgasm blush in liquid blush form as well, if that is something that you want. I'm so happy I repurchased it. I'm really enjoying it, and I just add that to my sort of inventory of wonderful blushes. It's been a really great blush year, 2017. Staple, which I think everyone needs, and that's a really good lip liner. Again, this was the year I went back to kind of staple products, and I purchased the MAC lip liner in the color Whirl. The lipstick is fantastic. The lip liner is beautiful and pigmented and just kind of has a staying power that is really impressive, but it is soft enough to blend and yet just doesn't budge. It's right there. It is that kind of cool sort of mauve-y pink family that just sort of like enhances your lip color, but better, and just kind of helps to keep all of your lip products where they need to be. I will be going back to and buying more bullet lipsticks for 2018, but my favorite bullet lipstick for 2017 was this MAC. This is the Cremesheen, and it is cream in your coffee. And I absolutely love it. I mean, just look at that color right there. It's really beautiful. A little bit more kind of on the cool pink mauve side of things than I would normally get into, but the Cremesheens are just so beautiful. They are lightweight. They feel like you're absolutely wearing nothing, and they give you that beautiful, soft, satiny look to your lips. but you know, so comfortable to wear. The next one is a liquid lipstick, just because I was really loving the bullet lipsticks at the end of 2017, but I've spoke about Smashbox before with their Be Legendary lipstick line, and this is another one in the liquid lipsticks. It is the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick, and this is in the color Mauve Wife, and again, it's a little bit more pink than the mauve that I just showed you by MAC, but it is absolutely beautiful. And again, it has that beautiful comfort feel to your lips without being tacky or sticky, and just gives that really sort of beautiful, plump and juicy looking finish to your lips that we all want. Basically, 3 lip glosses that I want to talk to you about. The first one I got in the Snowball collection with the lip kit, and this one was the MAC, and it is the Cremesheen Glass, and this is in the color Holiday Darling. Holiday Darling. Anyways, it's absolutely beautiful. I reintroduced myself to the MAC Glass lip glosses, and what I like about this is it imparts that beautiful sort of your lips but better, but again with that such a comfortable gloss on your lips with no stringy tackiness. I mean, just complete and utter comfort. You put that on in the middle of your lips and it gives such a nice pop to a lovely matte lipstick. These are the Brilliant lip glosses by Smashbox. Here are 2 of my favorites. This was in a Lilac Light, and this one is in the color Bear Light. They are extremely lightweight. Again, no tacky, no stringiness to them. They have some iridescence to them, so really nice for that sort of festive look. And both of them are very, very bare, very light, of that insane pop of sparkle to any particular lip look. There's the Lilac Light and the Bear Light. Would I be Denise from Ab Fab if I didn't finish it off with talking about, of course, highlighters? All things that glitter, though, they have to be the ones that are closest to my heart, because I really am just addicted to all things glitter. And this year was the year that ABH did the collab with the Nicole Gray. This is her eyeshadow, this is her highlighter palette she did with ABH, and I'm just going to show it to you there. These are huge, big pans, intense payoff, and a glow that just sort of melts in your skin and lasts forever. If you do not have this palette, and you're looking for a nice array of different types of highlighters, all the way from the cools to some coppers and nickels and golds and champagnes, which is just white, but when you put it on your skin and you rub it in, like I said, it just gives that glow forever and ever, I assure you. And the very last one, this is the MAC Whisper of Guilt highlighter. And it's just beautiful. The packaging is spectacular, and then when you open it up, you get this absolutely mind-blowing, beautiful gold gilded highlighter that is so beautifully milled. There it is on my finger there. I think you get the gist of it there if you can see it. It's just the most beautiful compact and highlighter, and I'm really enjoying that. And that really does segue into, like I said, some of the trends for 2018. So I'm really excited to keep enjoying and using that. So there you have it. I hope that you really enjoyed some of my top picks that I purchased for 2017. And if you're new to the Ab Fab channel, then please by all means go ahead and hit that tiny subscribe button, which is down at the bottom of this screen, and make sure to hit the notification bell as I upload once a week, and you'll be kept abreast of all of my latest videos. And please leave a comment down below, because I love interacting with all of you, and I'd love to hear what were some of your favorites for 2017 that you purchased, and if you have any recommendations for 2018 for Holy Grail products for foundation for myself, or some really good eyeliners. I've already got a couple of really good ideas. Then by all means, please leave that down below as well. I would love to hear and read basically what you guys have purchased that you love and what you're recommending. Anyways, until then, I hope as always, you guys, you have an absolutely fabulous week. Bye for now.